Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Jake the Dog token. Ticker symbol is Jake. Now this token is up 66.69% right now in the past 24 hours. They have a pretty big market cap, and I saw that this token is being listed on central exchanges, and it's a fairly new project too, just came out within the last day or so. So we're going to go over the information on the Jake the Dog token on the Solana blockchain and see if there's any security issues on this token. Maybe there's some potential warning signs of how this token may or may not be a scam. So we're going to look over that too in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Jake the Dog. So you can find their Twitter at Jake the Soul Dog. Blue verified check mark, 77 tweets so far. So it says, Jake is coming to Seoul with a blast and a few game-changing cards under his sleeves. And they have their link to their webpage on their Twitter, jakethesouldog.com. Now their Twitter just joined in March 2024. That's how brand new this project is. They already have 77 tweets though, so very active on the socials. 6,204 followers. So in their pinned tweet here, it says, Jake launching today at 5 p.m. UTC time. And it says, you have probably seen Jake the Dog before, the infamous yellow dog from cartoons. Could this be the next bonk on Sol? Just watch how we bring it to that level. And it says multiple central exchange listings confirmed. Global marketing campaign, trending on multiple platforms, immortal. And then it has a link to their contract address, so that's all in their pinned tweet. And that was just from within the last day or so. And yeah, so if you scroll through their Twitter, there's going to be lots of updates about central exchange listings. I believe I saw this was getting listed on xt.com. They just got a listing on New Express listings, so they just posted about that. But yeah, there's all these different places. So, you know, for the most part, what I've seen so far, obviously this token's on RAYDIUM and Jupiter because it's a Solana token, but it's also looks like it's getting xt.com and a few other central exchange listings. So this token's starting to take off a lot. It says 3 central exchange listings confirmed. 0% tax, a base team, and LP burnt. So that's what it says on their Twitter there. Now we could verify all that here in a second. Now when you go to their Telegram, they have 3,291 subscribers at Jake the Soul Dog on Telegram. So that's another place you could see lots of updates. And then we get to their webpage, which has Tokenomics, roadmap, join the adventure, buy Jake, project, all sorts of information there. And of course the contract address, a little short video trailer. So it says, Project Jake. Hey guys, it's me Jake, a constant companion, best friend and adoptive brother. Why do I think I'm the best dog? Simple. I have stretchy powers which come in handy in innumerable occasions. Let's hold hands and make this adventure a memorable one. So they have a roadmap on here where it says phase 1, I am born, making breakfast, creating my website, getting my team, creating Twitter and Telegram, thinking on when to launch, deciding on when to launch. Phase 2 is going to be, you can buy me on Solana, you can see me on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Everyone is talking about me on Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I have 5,000 holder friends. Phase 3, you can buy me on central exchanges. You'll see me trending everywhere. Bonk and Whiff Whales will love me more now. $1 billion market cap, and then I have 100,000 friends. It shows you step by step how to buy this token on Jupiter on their webpage using a Phantom wallet. And then, yeah, it says liquidity is burnt. And I think we can click on that. Nothing happens when you click on that, though. Nope. Okay. I thought maybe it would take me to a link where it shows the liquidity is burnt, but it's not doing that. Then there's a big disclaimer. Jakecoin has no association with the actual cartoon or the dog or yada, yada, yada. No roadmap, no formal team. So on their first glance, on their webpage, I don't see a full audit. I don't see a KYC. I don't see anything like that. There is a contact email at the bottom of the page. There's socials, and that's about it. So no full audit yet, no KYC. So just be aware of that right off the bat. They're up 70% right now, according to DEX Tools. They have a market cap of $2.15 million. Now, it says they have $393,000 in liquidity on Raydium. It doesn't have a lock button beside it. So sometimes, oh, there it is. So if I go over to DEX Screener, there is a lock button there. It says total liquidity locked 100%. And then it says 100% burned. So there you go. So according to DEX Screener, it says all the liquidity is locked and burned. So you can find that on DEX Screener just by searching Jake the dog or Jake in the Solana section, and you'll find it there. So that's good that they have that, first of all. And then it says here they have a 24-hour trading volume of $7.15 million, 3,390 holders. And they have a total supply and circulating supply of 420.69 million tokens. They have 1.13 thousand pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 42.93 million pooled Jake. And now to the security here, they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 94.1% out of 17 votes. And all they have basically is a quick audit from Quick Intel Security. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So from what there is, the quick audit is great. There's no warnings on it. They got a good DEX score, and DEX Screener does say that their liquidity is locked 100% and burned 100%. So those are all great things, but just keep in mind they don't have a full audit and they don't have a KYC doxing their team. Hopefully they do dox their team in one way or another. But yeah, basically that's about it. So I wish there was more information to go by. So can I say, is this 100% not a scam? No, because they don't have like a full CertiK audit or KYC, so it's hard to say. But from what they do have, there's no, huge warnings or anything. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.